Did you know that a simple umbrella can explode with the force of 1,000 hydrogen bombs, causing widespread destruction? Umbrellas are an essential accessory for anyone living in a rainy climate. But have you ever stopped to think about their inner workings? From the moment we first started using umbrellas, they've been a vital tool for keeping us dry and warm in the face of inclement weather. But what happens when an umbrella breaks or is damaged? Do we simply toss it in the trash and buy a new one? The answer is no. With a few simple DIY repairs, you can breathe new life into your umbrella and extend its lifespan. In fact, with the right tools and a bit of know-how, you can even turn an old umbrella into a unique piece of art. So let's dive into the world of umbrella repairs and learn how to fix common problems like broken ribs, torn fabric, and missing tips. First, we need to understand the anatomy of an umbrella, a delicate balance of ribs, fabric, and mechanisms that work together to keep us dry. The ribs are the internal framework of the umbrella, consisting of a series of curved or straight metal rods that provide structural support. These ribs are typically made of metal or fiberglass and are attached to the umbrella's central hub, which is usually made of plastic or wood.
But what happens when one of these ribs breaks or becomes damaged? Can we fix it, or do we need to replace the entire umbrella?
The good news is that repairing a broken rib is a relatively simple process that requires just a few basic tools and some patience. To start, we need to locate the broken rib and assess the extent of the damage. Is it a small crack or a complete break? If it's just a small crack, we can often fix it by applying a bit of glue or tape to reinforce the area. But if the rib is completely broken, we'll need to replace it with a new one, a process that's a bit more involved, but still straightforward. To replace a broken rib, we'll need to remove the old one and clean the area where it was attached. Next, we'll apply a bit of glue or epoxy to the new rib and attach it to the umbrella's central hub. And that's it, our umbrella is good as new, with a strong and sturdy rib that will keep us dry in even the most torrential downpours. But what about torn fabric or missing tips? Can we fix these problems too, or do we need to replace the entire umbrella? The answer is yes. With a few simple repairs, we can breathe new life into our umbrella and extend its lifespan. For torn fabric, we can often fix it by applying a bit of fabric glue or a needle and thread to repair the tear. And if the tip is missing, we can replace it with a new one, a process that's a bit more involved, but still straightforward. To replace a missing tip, we can often fix it by applying a bit of fabric glue or a needle and thread to repair the tear. Next, we'll apply a bit of glue or epoxy to the new tip and attach it to the umbrella's central hub. And that's it, our umbrella is good as new, with a sturdy tip that will keep us dry in even the most inclement weather. So there you have it, a few simple DIY repairs that can breathe new life into your umbrella and extend its lifespan. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to becoming an umbrella repair expert and saving money in the process. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start fixing those umbrellas. Your wallet and the environment will thank you. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more DIY repair tips and tricks. We've got a whole series of tutorials on repairing common household items, from leaky faucets to broken appliances. So subscribe now and join the conversation. We'd love to hear from you and see what you're working on. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more DIY repair tips and tricks.